Hey Phil, Mingmoon is about to reach the 500 subs. Do you think I should celebrate big? You know, like celebrating this milestone, or it's no?
Honestly,
I mean, slowly making progress.
define going celebrating big.
Shall I bring like a new car, like a project car, not an expensive car, like a project car?
How expensive?
We can discuss that off camera, but shall I have your approval?
Depends.
You should say yes.
Will you take me on a date with this car?
Once it works, yeah.
Okay, then yeah.
Yes! How is it going, guys, and welcome to Mingmoon. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you like this content, and if so, consider subscribing. And if you have been part of this community, I want to say thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. What a milestone. We have reached this milestone together, 500 subs, and my boss approved, my wife approved an additional budget to purchase a new car. So today, we're gonna bring a new project. Let me show you the plan. So the first step of the plan was identifying the car, and I've been looking for more than 3 months for this specific platform. I'm absolutely sure that you will love it. This is a project car. The car is not working, but it has a legend inside. Positive thing though, it's only 250 miles from home. So this takes us to step number 2. I need to rent a truck. And in this case, I'm gonna use Home Depot. The main reason why is because they offer flat fee, unlimited mileage. And then step 3 is basically we need a trailer. Here we're gonna go to U-Haul and get one of those big trailers. Let's get started. Hey guys, good morning. I'm trying to rent 250. Do you guys have any available?
Yeah, I don't think we have any flatbeds. We have a van available, but that's about it.
Okay, we're gonna wait to see a couple of minutes if someone returns a 250. I'm very positive that we're gonna be able to solve that issue. The question mark though is if the one that we're gonna be able to rent will or will not have a towing equipment. But let's see, finger crossed. And there she is. Look at this 250, man, it's awesome. Now let's see if my hinge fits, and it does not. I'll have to figure out how to get a bigger hinge or an adapter or something. Yeah, I think that's it. They'll come and check our equipment. This is interesting. I'm scared and I have no clue in what I'm getting into. Okay guys, so we pulled the trigger. I'm so excited about this opportunity. I'm so excited about where we can take this channel, and I hope I can make this car come back to life. So we're back home, we're already in the garage. The car it's beautiful, and I'm super excited about this opportunity. Let me share with you an update on where the car is actually at, which performance parts were already installed, and the main reason why I purchased this project. Starting from the front, look at this carbon fiber hood, man, this looks outstanding. This is a Sabon carbon fiber hood for FRS combined, look at this, with Morimoto sequential headlights. The car is sitting actually on coilovers. I think they are Tanabe coilovers. And look at these wheels and rims. I think the rims are NK. We will see same wheels. I think in this case, you know, wheels are exactly the same, but a wider setup. So it's a little bit wider, the rim and the tire itself. But again, those beautiful and sexy 4-piston Brembo brakes, those are amazing aftermarket parts. I don't even know if there's a specific reason for this spoiler, but man, this APR looks awesome. This is a 67 APR inch spoiler. And if you remember Fast and Furious 1, this brand is very well known. Taillights, I think they're Valenti, something like that. And moving into the cabin, let me show you what we got. Of course, because why not? Just because. Carbon fiber steering wheel. But most important, look at these seats, man. Look at these Sparco seats. Let me show you why I purchased this car.
Hey, pop the hood. Pop the hood? Pop the hood.
Look at this. Famous 2JZ GTE VVTi, one of the best ever engines made by Toyota. Here, the downsides. I don't even know if the engine is working. So you can see the engine is not connected. There are some things connected, some things are not. So the entire fuel system is not connected. This car has no return lines, and the engine, these old engines, they require return lines. So I'll have to fix that thing or build something for that. I'm really happy to see that we do have Tweak Performance, the entire wiring harness. And as you can see here, a big, massive turbo. This is from CX Racing. Actually, the guys from CX Racing provided the entire turbo kit, the exhaust manifold, the downpipe, the piping for the intercooler itself, and the entire engine mounts. The entire pulley is actually touching this bracket. See, the engine is like this, like inclined. The top of the engine is closer to the right. Transmission and the rear differential are basically not connected. The turbo is not fully connected, so this is the filling line, but the return line is not connected. All the piping is beautiful and it's positioned, but it's not properly clamped. It is missing the entire exhaust. And I'm planning on sharing everything, the good, the bad, the ugly, my mistakes. Again, I never did this in the past. This is gonna be my first time swapping an engine. I'm not a mechanic, or I do not work as a mechanic either. I'm actually a computer science engineer that works for a tech multinational company. So nothing to do with this. This is a weekend passion. This is, my therapy, and I'm planning on sharing everything. So if you like cars, if you like these type of projects, consider subscribing the channel, and most important, let me know what you guys think, what you guys recommend. For sure you know much more than I do, but I'm willing to learn, and I'm excited about this opportunity. What a way to celebrate the 500 subs. Let's go for 1,000. Peace.